Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I'm so happy to be back here now with another fun project. We are making edible Play-Doh. Yes, you heard it right, it's edible. You can eat it, but just be careful. I would wash your hand and then be very careful with it before you eat it because it might hurt a little bit. Okay, so what you need is I have a big marshmallow like this. If you don't have a big marshmallow like so, you can use the mini one. So what I mean by big is this size of marshmallow. You can use the mini one if you like. And then you need cornstarch. You need like a glass like so because we're going to heat the marshmallow on the microwave. We need a teaspoon, and then we need measuring cup, 1/4 of measuring cup. And then this is optional. I use food coloring. If you don't want to use food coloring, that's fine. And then this is also optional. We're going to use coconut oil so it doesn't stick to the table. And then I have parchment paper because it will stick to the paper towel if you do it like so. So I will use parchment paper to make it easier. And then I have cookie cutter rolling pin if you have it at home, if your sibling have one, but if you don't have it, that's also fine. Okay, let's get started. So I already melted 6 big marshmallow in this Pyrex measuring cup. So basically you just put 6 or 7 of it and then you put it in microwave. Just watch out, be careful. I probably melt it for like 30 seconds because it's melted really easily. So you have something like this. See how gluey is this? Oh, this is so much fun. It will be really hot, so I might just want to be careful to it. Okay, so like that. And then you take your measuring cup and then you put 1/4 of cornstarch into your marshmallow mixture. So like roughly about 1/4, and then you put it little by little to your marshmallow mixture. It can be a little bit messy, but that's okay. So, and then you mix it well like that. Okay, see how fluffy it is? And then it smells so good too because marshmallow, it smells really, really good. Okay, and then if it's really hard, you can start knead it by hand. If it's spooned really hard like that, okay, it might be a little bit gooey, and then you just mix it until it's all mixed together, right? Okay. See how stretchy it is? Woo, this is going to be so much fun. And messy too. I know a lot of you love messy stuff. Okay, so this is optional. I will add food coloring. Mine is lemon yellow. But you can choose whatever color you like. Doesn't need to be yellow. You can use blue, pink, whatever you like. To shake it a little bit, and then add probably 3 to 4 drops. It depends how consistency you want to be, how light or how bold your color want to be. See, it turns ready. Wow, that was really fast. Okay. Let's start mixing really well. I might want to add a little bit more. Add a little bit more right there, probably 3 more drops. And then you just start mixing it like that. Alright, this is start sticky enough. And then you start knead it by hands. Before you knead it by hands, you might want to add a little bit of coconut oil so it doesn't coconut oil like so it doesn't stick to your hands. I will probably want to add like 1 teaspoon or 1 spoon so it doesn't too sticky. And then you can put some of coconut oil into your hands like that, and then you just mix it with your hands because the spoon doesn't work anymore because it's already like too sticky. So, ooh, look at that. Isn't that fun? This is like a Play-Doh. And then you can eat it if you want afterwards, but I would just be careful. If it's still too hard, you might want to put it back to microwave and then melt it even faster. Like that. Wow, look at that, how stretchy those are. Okay, then add a little bit more. of the coconut oil that you left in there. Okay, so it should be something like this. Okay, if it's too hard, you might want to add a little bit of cornstarch. If it's too runny, and then you can add a little bit more of marshmallow. But at this point, you don't have to. So like that, and you put it on parchment paper. I would suggest not put it on paper towel because it will stick to the paper towel. So parchment paper probably is the best. So you put it on the parchment paper like so. So I knead it with my hands, and then I add a little bit more coconut oil and then the cornstarch on the parchment paper so it doesn't get too sticky. And then my hands is all messy, but that's okay. I'm having so much fun. And then all you want to do is probably after you knead it, you probably want to make a ball. You can put some of the cornstarch or coconut oil on your hands, but that's really optional. And then you put it on the parchment paper like that. See, it's formed a Play-Doh. How much fun is that? Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. So you put cornstarch, and then after this you can play with it. You can take your rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use bottle or spoon, whatever you like. And then you just roll it out like so. This is probably too tiny. Change that. See, it's like making a real Play-Doh, except we homemade it. And then after that, you can take your cookie cutter and then make a cutter like so. I don't know what any kind of shape you like, but it doesn't need to be bear or butterfly. I have turkey since next week is Thanksgiving, next month I mean. So put it like that, put it like that, this thing, and then you can put it into here as well. And push it, and then make a shape out of it, like so. So yeah, like that. And so there you have it. I mean, if you have fun, if you decided to try it, you can leave us a comment down below. As I said, if it's too sticky, you can add more cornstarch and coconut oil. But remember, don't add the food coloring into the cornstarch. You have to add it into the marshmallow so it will make a difference. Okay? And then you can eat it too. I think it's pretty tasty. So why don't you try it? Alright, until next time, I hope you have a fun day at school, and then don't forget to watch our other video, and don't forget to subscribe, and then watch our Make It Monday. And see you next time.